Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to install tinyEinstein app in your Shopify online store. In the previous tutorials, I have shown you why you should use tinyEinstein and what is the importance to use AI marketing tools for your Shopify online store. So let's get started. To install this one, first of all you have to go to the Shopify app store and search tinyEinstein, and you can see the tinyEinstein GPT marketing tools. Click on that, and here is the tinyEinstein marketing app, and you can start 7 days free trial. And the important things is that I want to share with you that if you use the promo code Faisal, you will get 20% discount, as you are my valuable subscriber and you are watching these tutorials and going to use tinyEinstein GPT marketing. So don't forget to use the promo code Faisal. So we are in the tinyEinstein app page in the Shopify store. Then you have to log in our Shopify admin panel. So here is my Shopify admin panel. Then I'm going to click on the apps and type tinyEinstein here. Also click on the search for tinyEinstein in the Shopify apps and click on the tinyEinstein GPT marketing app title, add app button. Okay, now click on the install app button. Now click on the install app button. It's loading. We have installed the tinyEinstein AI marketing tools, and we are going to start 7-day trial. Click on the approve. Okay, we have done. So I hope you understand how to install the tinyEinstein in your Shopify online store. In the next tutorials, I will show you how to set up, setting and start and manage your marketing with the power of AI using this tinyEinstein app. So we'll see you in the next tutorials, and hope you will stay connected and click on the subscribe button to get the next video notification. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service, support, relevant Shopify, WordPress or marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.